Hello and welcome to this demo of Klutch. In this demo, we'll show you how application clusters can be connected to the control plane cluster. To start off with, we have two kind clusters. Local clusters. I have one for the application cluster and one for the control plane cluster. On the control plane cluster, I have some operators running. I have a Postgres operator running, and I want to make that available to my application cluster. To do that, I will switch to the application cluster. Here we can see there are no Postgres specific APIs yet, CRDs. So now I'll connect my cluster to the control plane. Here it connects to the identity provider that you configure on the control plane cluster. In this case, it's Dex, a local one. I logged in. Now we can see a catalog of APIs. This is also defined by you, the platform operator. You can decide which APIs app clusters are able to bind or not. Let's bind a Postgres instance API. That's done. So now I can see on my application cluster, I now have a Postgres instance CRD available, which means I can start as the application developer to make instances of the database. And that's it.